Um, so a little quiz now. I mean, I know you won't be able to call out at the moment, but I've got a little quiz. So just for you to think of how many unpaid carers there are in the UK. And people usually underestimate this. We, in the last census, were 6.5 million carers in the UK. We estimate that's increased to 8.8 million. And today, we've just released some, or as part of Carers Week is organised by several charities, and from some research that we've just done, we estimate that as a result of the coronavirus crisis, the number of carers in the UK has increased by another 4.5 million over the past 3 months. So it's increased to 13.6 million. So this, I think we were really surprised by that stat, so increasing so quickly. And I think when the crisis is over, that we could well see that coming back down again. But yes, really recognising how many people are having to dedicate time to looking after their loved ones. How many carers a day give up work to care? So we have a lot of our members that we know talk to us who sometimes have had to give up work very suddenly to look after a loved one. And from our research, we estimate that 600 people per day are giving up work to care. And lots of our work, we do try and support carers who are working to remain in employment as much as they can. And for example, through applying for flexible working, going part-time perhaps. And then what's the economic value of the combined support that unpaid carers provide every year? So this was some research that we've done a couple of times. We've updated it, and it's due to be updated again, so it's going to be higher than this. But we estimate that the value that you and other carers around the country, in terms of if the state had to pay for people to do what you do, it would cost £132 billion per year, which is nearly the cost of another NHS. So a huge contribution that you make to our society, that simply I think we couldn't afford to provide if you didn't do it. And by what age do you have a 50-50 chance of being a carer? This was some research that we did for Carers Week. I think it was Carers Rights Day last year. We estimate that average age for women is 46 when you've a 50-50 chance of being a carer, and for 57, the age of 57 for men. And we estimate that 65% of adults will be carers at some point in their lives. So 2/3 of us will be a carer.